LeadsLeap offers almost all the tools you need to make money online. You can get traffic to your websites, an autoresponder, a page builder, a pop-up creator, and a link tracker. The link tracker is included, though it can be a little bit slow sometimes. With a free membership, you also get up to 10 rotators and several ways to earn money. The platform has been around since 2008. Once inside the dashboard, you'll see options for advertising. There are credit ads, which are free, and pro ads, which are for upgraded members. As a pro member, you get 10 ad slots you can set up and rotate. As you can see, it does bring in some traffic. However, the conversion rate is quite low, typically around 0.1 to 0.5%, maybe 1% if your offer is really good, but it is free traffic that comes with the membership. You can also earn credits by clicking on other members' ads and then use those credits for your own advertising. However, this isn't the main reason to use the service, and I personally don't use the credit ads feature. The more interesting features are the tracking tools. You can create tracking links, and with those links, you can add ad bars or even pop-ups. You can also set up conversion tracking. Additionally, there are link rotators, which let you put several links into a single rotator link to test them. The platform includes an autoresponder system. It's not the best, but it's free to use. It's not bad, but it does require a bit more work to send an email compared to a dedicated service like a Weber. Here is the page builder, where you can create different pages like opt-in forms and split test them. A pretty cool feature is that you can create a share code for your page design. You can share this code with others, and they can import your exact page. This also works for entire funnels, and even the email sequences you write. You can also create pop-ups and use the cookie generator to control how often they appear. There's a PDF link rebrander, and you can also host your images and PDF files here. There are several ways to earn. You can earn affiliate commissions, get paid from the traffic co-op just for sending traffic to a special link, or earn from placing PPC ad widgets on your website. You can also turn the credits you earn from viewing ads directly into cash. Here, I'll convert 50 credits, which earned me 10 cents. The referral system goes up to 10 levels deep. If you are a pro member, you can also get spillover referrals placed in your downline. You can also write messages that your direct referrals and followers will see. As a pro member, the really interesting part, and the reason I've kept my upgraded membership for months, is the social review system. You can write reviews for thousands of different programs. If you're a pro member and you write a review, your affiliate link is added to a rotator on that review page. 3 out of every 4 clicks on the link will go to you, and 1 will go to LeadsLeap. If other pro members have also reviewed the same product, the clicks are rotated between all of you. This feature is a pretty cool way to get traffic, and for me, this alone pays for the pro membership. If you're interested in more information, check out the link in the description. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video.